So before working on any machine, please refer to your operator or owner's manual for further safety instructions.
Hello, this is Derek with Weingartz, and today we are going over the Quest Series zero-turn mower operations. Before starting the mower, we want to go over a few visual checks. First, you want to check the fuel level and add fresh gas if needed. Next, check the oil level and add oil if low. And after that, be sure to inspect tires for proper air pressure. Be sure to clean the mower deck free of any debris, and also check the blades for any excessive damage or wear. Now that you've completed your visual checks, you're ready to start the mower. Place the control levers into the outward neutral position and make sure the parking brake is on. Next, you want to make sure the PTO switch is off, and you want to engage the choke. You want to put the throttle into the middle position or the halfway position, and now you can turn the key and try to start the mower. Now once the mower starts, you want to give it a few seconds until you turn the choke off into the running position. A few safety reminders before operating any mower. Be sure to always wear hearing and eye protection. There's always no passengers allowed. Avoid mowing in reverse unless absolutely needed. Be cautious on hills and avoid steep slopes. And be sure to disengage the blades unless you're actively mowing. So now that we have the mower started, we're ready to go over the driving operations. First, you want to be sure to disengage the parking brake. Next, you want to pull in the control levers to the middle position. And to move forward at a straight line, you want to push both levers evenly forward. To go backwards at a straight line, you want to pull both levers backwards evenly. So going forward and then going backwards. To make a turn, to turn to the right, you want to push the left lever outwards, and that'll engage that left wheel to start moving. To turn to the left, same thing, you want to push this right lever outwards, and that'll gauge the right wheel to start turning. Whenever you are ready to start mowing, you want to be sure to fully engage the throttle all the way to the highest position, and then turn on the yellow PTO switch. Whenever you've completed mowing, go ahead and push that PTO switch down into the off position. You push the control levers out into the neutral position, and then throttle down the mower to at least halfway position. And that's when you want to engage the parking brake and turn the key off. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to visit our website at www.weingartz.com or stop by any of our store locations. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.